Whee! Yay, ads are done. Yeah, I actually set the first ad to start at like 30 minutes or so after the stream starts. But yeah, I changed it to like 1 minute for maybe one stream. And then I changed it back to 30, and then now I'm feeling like probably just sticking to 1 minute is probably the best. Because it's just a stream starting soon scene anyway. So nobody really misses anything, and then running the ad sort of disables the pre-rolls for like the next hour or so, and yeah, that's really nice. And then that also means that everybody can join in at the very beginning of the actual start of the stream and enjoy it together. So yeah, that should be the way to go, I assume. But yeah, I hope that everyone has been doing well. Taking care of yourselves, having good days, and all that good stuff. Today, what shall we do? I mean, I am going to be continuing the coding, which you can see here. I just haven't decided exactly what to do just yet, like what exactly I'm gonna do. So there's that. I probably should. Let's do a run, and then I should probably capture this new window, because right now I'm only using window captures, and so you wouldn't be able to see the actual program window that I'm doing. So give me a second. I probably should have done this off stream, but I only just thought of it. So what do I call it? Python window, I guess. This. Yeah. So you guys can actually see the window that I'm working on. So let me shrink that. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I guess I'll keep it to that size. And then I kind of want it to be down here. Yeah, I guess right about there. And then where is that? Yeah, so you guys can see the window and also the BGM credits, because that should be on the screen at all times. So yeah, that sounds good to me. Anything else I'm forgetting? I'll probably think about it again in a few minutes. What if I close? Yeah, and then that disappears. Sick. Okay. So we can go ahead and do that and come back to our screen over here. So yeah, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do today. Definitely I'm gonna be needing to look up a lot of Tkinter stuff because I don't know all of the syntax. All of this I only just followed a tutorial on YouTube, probably like most programmers would. But yeah, Park Hotel, hello, welcome in. Sloth music person, are you also a sloth music person? It's very nice to meet you. Yeah, sorry, I'm not doing music for today, or at least not for the most part for a bit, because I got this genius idea, quote unquote genius, and now I'm just kind of really focusing on that. And so that's what I'm gonna be doing for the near future at least. But yeah, I do still do music off stream, although at a very slow pace. I'm a very slow worker, so you like to comment on that? Oh yeah, I remember that post. What was it that you said? I believe you're the one who said something like putting a compressor? No, EQ on the Discord, the audio thingy in OBS. If I remember correctly, something along those lines. And I really thought that was a really nice idea. Yeah. I actually like that idea. Although now that I think about it, I haven't actually done that yet. It's fine. I'll get to it soon enough. But yes, welcome in. I hope you've been having a good day so far. So that was a sloth video. I don't actually see a lot of sloth VTubers, to be honest. I think at least when I decided to be a sloth, I didn't know anyone. And then it maybe took me a few weeks after that to find, I believe her name was Miyu. Yeah, I think that's her name. And then ever since then, I haven't found a single sloth VTuber yet. You know a bunch. Nice. Yeah, I actually thought being a sloth was gonna be quite unique, to be completely honest. And then I started finding other sloth VTubers, and I was like, maybe not so unique, but it's fine. We like what we like, Yeah. Since you are coming in for the first time, I think I probably should kind of explain what's going on and what I'm doing with this whole project thing. So, yeah, it works. Yeah, so what I am doing is actually making a to-do list program on my own. I don't know if you use any, but I personally use this one called Todoist. Let me spell that out over here. Todoist, this one. This is the program that I am personally using right now. Basically, it's like any other to-do list. You create a task and then you can like schedule it and all that good stuff. And then it'll pop up on the day itself with a whole list of things to do. And I've been recently finding that kind of boring and like non-motivational really, because all I'm really doing is just kind of checking off as many things as I can, and yeah, it works fine as it is, but I think at some point I'm gonna get bored of it and then it's gonna lose its purpose in my life. So what I am planning to do is to kind of gamify it. And if you have heard of Habitica, that is pretty much the idea I'm basing this off of. So what I want to do is to be able to the gamified version of it is really the cash shop. Wait, I don't know how I'm gonna explain this. If you've heard of it, Habitica, this thing. It is also a to-do list thing, but they have managed to gamify it and added RPG elements. I think you get to like create a character and then like doing tasks and all of that. Yeah. And then I think doing tasks will level up your character and stuff like that. My problem with that is that it's a fully browser based one. And I am kind of a browser hoarder. I have like 50 tabs open at any time, and so I cannot rely on myself to, look at that all the time. So what I want is really a standalone program, but I haven't been able to find one, and so I decided to make my own. And yeah, here is the idea that I have. Basically, I want to make a fully customizable. You're literally 1 of 40. My own Twitch tabs is on a whole separate window because I don't want to accidentally close anything I shouldn't. But yeah, I want to be able to make a fully customizable to-do list, and then finishing those tasks will actually earn currencies, which for the default I'm gonna just name it as gold, like a typical game currency. And then from there, I also want to implement a separate tab that is a cash shop, where I will be able to spend the gold. And that cash shop is also going to be fully customizable, where you set your own rewards and set the pricing of all those rewards as well. So for me, I can add things like allowing myself to buy a bubble tea as like a because I just like it, bubble tea. And yeah, I can allow myself to buy that, or I can buy a day off where I just chill the fuck out, and yeah, stuff like that. Because I seriously am struggling with giving myself a reward. Like I said, right now I'm just checking things off the to-do list on my end, and then I don't know what is an appropriate reward for whatever I've done, And yeah, I just thought of making my own cash shop, and to be able to properly reward myself. And yeah, that is the general idea. So, I mean, just to preface the whole thing, I am not an experienced programmer or coder or anything like that. I am learning this entire thing from scratch. So this is sort of like an impulsive project of some sort. And so here are the core mechanics that I want to build first for it to be considered like a version 1 of the whole program. So number 1, obviously we need to be able to have the task page, where we can do creation of the task, scheduling the tasks, allocating the points, and all that stuff. Your quote-unquote favorite. Do you hate coding? Oh my god, I don't know how to pronounce that name. Lychee? I hope it's okay to just call you Lychee. But welcome in. Your game oh, very nice. I have thought of doing game development as well. but there's so much to learn. For now, I'm just sort of focusing on my own idea that I got recently. And so, yeah, this is where I'm basically gonna start from. So, the small project works. I don't know if this is considered small, but it's fine. The most important thing is to be excited about it. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna use to learn programming basically. So the first mechanic that we need is the task page, where we can create our own tasks, schedule them, whether we want them to appear on a specific day one time, or to be able to set it to repeat and stuff like that. And then because we're gonna use the cache shop feature, we will want to be able to allocate points to the task as well, so that you get rewarded with some coins that you can spend in the cache shop. And then aside from that, I also want to implement a difficulty mechanic. Basically, you get to set for yourself, how difficult you think each task is. And yeah, that is all very subjective. So, and then quest categories. Actually, I should probably move this on to a future thing. Yeah, I think I'll stop here. The quest category thingy can move to a future update thingy. But yeah, that is the idea for now. You also need to work on some small projects, or some projects. That's fine. You can, if it is like personal projects, you can take your time. It's completely fine. At least I think so. Mostly because I'm a very slow worker. Because besides programming, I also do music myself, and I've been doing that for like, how long has it been? 2 years? No, 1 year. No, 2? I don't know at this point. But yeah, about 2 years at this point. And I haven't released a lot of things because I'm... Oh. Actually, thank you for the follow. Thank you so much for that. And yeah, that alert that you heard, I made that. Yeah. I'm pretty proud of my alert stuff. It's 3 AM for you, so you're gonna sleep. Okay, no problem. Thank you for stopping by though. I appreciate that you came by. And so hope that you take care of yourself and get lots of sleep for the night. Good night. Also, you like spaghetti? Spaghetti is nice. But the spaghetti I meant today was for the coding. It's like a double entendre. But yeah, thank you for stopping by. I hope you rest well. So yes, besides the task page, we are obviously gonna have the cache shop page as well, where it's pretty much the same thing. We get to create and edit the rewards inside the cache shop. Restocking is kind of a mechanic where, if the user wants to limit certain rewards for a certain number of times and stuff like that. I don't know how I'm going to do that yet, but that's the idea. And then also obviously the cost allocation, because they need to cost something. And after that, the penalty system. This is something that I kind of want. I don't know if it's going to be too punishing, but we'll see. Basically, the idea is that it's like a optional toggle for each of the tasks that you create. For me, I plan to use it on daily habits or general habits that are healthy for me that I really want to stick. I want to make it so that there is a sort of punishment if I don't do those tasks, or if I choose to intentionally skip them. So what happens is that, let's say the task has been allocated to reward 5 coins initially. If I don't do it, or if I skip it deliberately, it's going to take away 5 coins instead. So like, instead of not earning anything, I actually lose money by not doing these healthy habits. So hopefully that's a system that will help promote doing healthy stuff for yourself. And besides that, I am aiming for a really basic, like text-based RPG kind of UI for the very beginning. I don't know. I think a to-do list wouldn't really need much of a fancy UI. I'm going to focus on what's the word called? Sometimes I cannot English. Effectiveness? My vocabulary is failing me, but hopefully that kind of gets the idea across. So yeah, that is the reasoning for the really basic UI. As long as it works, that is all I'm going for right now. The aesthetic stuff can come later. And then this is really just a bonus if like there's enough interest in it in the future whenever I'm done. Because this is supposed to be a personal program to begin with. Like, I wasn't planning on sharing it, but if enough people actually want to try using this program that I make, I intend to just give it out completely free, because I like free stuff. And if it's gonna help people do more things and be more productive and make them happier, then what more can I ask for, So yeah, and I'm not sure how anybody makes something open source, but I'm gonna figure that out. Mostly for community customization, particularly with UI, so people can learn from each other and then also customize their own look for their own to-do list. So yeah, that is the main idea for now and everything that I need to accomplish. And so everything that I need to learn is here. I'm using Python because that is the one that I at least have a semblance of familiarity with. So I'm gonna use that. And currently for the window itself, because I want it to be a standalone program, I'm using Tkinter. I'm aware that there are a lot, but it looks like Tkinter is the basic of the basic, or at least a very common one. So I'm gonna use that for now for the UI. And then who knows, maybe in the future I might need to learn CSS and HTML for customizing the UI better and stuff like that. So yeah, that's in there for now. And then obviously I need to learn how to export the program into exe, because again, it's gonna be a standalone program and I need to learn how to do this. I don't know yet, but that is probably gonna be like one of the last things I learn. And then in the future, I actually kind of want to learn pixel art. There is a part of me that wants to learn pixel art initially for emotes, but like there are a lot of things I want to do. So this is really just here to be reminding me in the future, and then also like once I roll out a couple of updates, maybe then I can try to improve the UI and stuff like that. So yeah, that is the overall idea. And yeah, I need to figure out a lot of things. A lot of things. So yeah, I have the main program here, and then I separated the two main pages, one for the task and one for the cash shop. I haven't really done anything for the cash shop yet. And then one specifically to handle all the money stuff, the currencies, because I plan on having multiple of them. But for now, I'm just gonna have the default being gold and use that to start things off. Yeah. So like I said in the beginning of the stream, I don't actually know what my next step is yet. I've only just been able to make an example window. I hope that's showing. Yeah, it's showing on stream. Yeah, it's my very first window. Woo! And yeah, I need to learn to be able to sort of, I guess, have to. I don't know if I want it to slide out on the side. I probably want that, and then on top it'll just be like a overview of, I guess, currencies, and maybe see how many tasks are left for today. Just two basic widgets like that. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna need to figure out how to do that, obviously. And yeah, I guess that would be the next step. I probably need to find out how I want to section off the window. So right now I have the text label. Text label. Maybe I can start putting in the text for money, then task left, perhaps. Maybe. Let's make it money first. Probably doesn't need to be so big. I'm gonna do it 24. Can make the padding smaller. I'll do 10 by 10. Why not? So 10 pixels for X and 10 pixels for Y. I kind of want to change the color of that. Let's see. Google. There's gonna be a lot of Googling this stream, so hopefully you guys all don't mind, because I need to search out like all of the syntax for Tikinter. Tikinter. colors. Yeah, because I don't know what colors are available. So I think here, does BG work? I think so. Just waiting for the page until you can tell me what colors there are. Or can I open it as a open image in new tab? God damn, that's small. Can't see anything. Why is it that small? Oh, I think the page is finally loading. It's taking so long. Is there another page? Select background. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do BG, but I don't know the color thingy. Show me blocks. Okay, I can finally see it. What color do I want? I mean, I like blue, so maybe royal blue. It's royal blue. How does that look? Yeah, it looks weird against the grey, but how about medium? That looks weirder actually. Yeah, I'll stick to royal blue. I think that's fine. Then I should probably rename these two also. So we get honey label. And then I should probably import money. Whoops. Whoops. That's not what I wanted to do. There we go. I'm keeping these two out of the code first because something is wrong with them. Import money. Let's see. Can I... Wait, let me imagine how I want this. Where is... Oh, the window didn't show up for a second. Ah. Oh. I'm in the wrong window. This one, please. So money. Can I wonder if there is a way to... Yeah, I won't focus on the drop down for now. Because I originally wanted... I was thinking like maybe I can make this a button or something like that. And then players can choose whatever currency they want to be displayed up here. But I think I'll save that for the future. I'm just gonna do gold. And then can I make it so that I have the currency gold? Player wallet. Dictionary. Do I need to specify the dictionary? Because I do have a currency list dictionary here. How do I make it go specifically to one? Brackets? I don't think so. How do I do this? Function dictionary. Square brackets? That doesn't seem right. What does this do? Let me see. Done. Sounds good. Dictionary. Explain the dictionary attribute. Stack Overflow. Let's go. Such a lot, but I'm still not sure about that. Basically, it contains all the attributes which describe the object in question. Everything is an object in Python. Okay. Oh god, there's a lot of reading and understanding to do. Define. Maybe I should show the window. Should I? How do I do that? I guess another window capture. Select a window to capture this one. I'll do that. And I'll stretch it out. Then, yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah, so now you guys can see exactly what I am searching up. And then probably laugh at my stupidity. Look at this. This is still loading. This was supposed to give me the color names. Get out. Okay. Everything is object in Python. Function dot temp. No idea what that means. Temp equals to 1. Equals 1. Me no understand. In itself. Given something. What? What? I'm not sure I understand. Given the above class A, no dictionary's definition. Dictionary or other mapping object used to store an object's writable attributes. So, I don't know what this part means. Dictionary from another module. God damn it. Motorcycle. Oh, there's one there. Traffic light. I mean, yeah, technically it's there. How about this? Calling a function from a dictionary. Import commands. game state equal playing, and then game state is equal to playing. Command list input. Wait, so once dot command list. You store the value returned by a call to run in your dictionary. Since your dictionary is global, gets its value at import time. Yes. Store the function in the dictionary. Isn't that what he did though? Is it not? I mean, it's missing the brackets, but God, this is making my brain hurt. Hold up. Dictionary. I'm not sure I fully understand the classes thing. I think there's something about classes here. Or at least it should. Not down here, I guess. Oh, there we go. Classes objects. Almost everything in Python is an object. The class is a blueprint for creating objects. Create a class named myClass with a property X. Create an object. Print the value of X. So P1 is used to call this class, if I'm understanding correctly. Init function. Create a new function. softness of age. Oh, it doesn't print out the 36. So it just stores the 36 as an age. Okay. It's a reference to the current instance of the class. You can call it whatever you like, but it has to be the first parameter of any function in the class. I'm not really understanding how, if you use different words, it still works the exact same way. Delete. Class definitions cannot be empty. If you for some reason have a class definition with no content, you'll pass getting an error. I'm not sure why I read through this whole thing. What was I researching this for? Oh, the dictionary. Okay, I have ended up confusing myself. Did I read this one? I did. Dictionary. How do I return? If I get data. We'll be fine using normal imports. Return layers. So wait, import. Import this module, and then layers equal all caps. If you want it to look like default constant, but don't modify its value. Layers equal gdb dot import gdb my slash path. This part I don't understand. because you're calling for the GDB module, and then the define function here. But what this my path thing, I don't understand. We did import GDB, assign a global variable. Is this part of the thing? You're returning it from assign the return value, get data. Okay, wait. Let me try to unnoodle that. So I don't need to do this. Maybe I can do currencies equal. Then I don't know what. Is that supposed to be a bracket for currency list? Is this how it's supposed to be? I am going to assume that. Then in that case, I should probably make this an F string. Whoops. Currencies dot get, I think. And then over here will be currencies dot value. If I'm not wrong, I'm gonna save that and try it. Well, well, maybe get rid of that. Let's retry that. Nope. Function object has no attribute to get. Maybe I need to modify something here. Dot player wallet. Is it supposed to be no? What? Or maybe I do that so that it calls for player wallet. right? I hope I'm right. No. Dictionary object is not callable. Why? Why? Why are you not callable? Let's see. 912 for X in currency list. Dictionary object is not callable. Why? Why are you not callable? Yeah, hello, welcome in. Welcome back. I hope it's been a good day for you over there, wherever you are. I've just kind of been racking my brain, trying to figure out how this works. I'm gonna cry. Can I? Okay, hold on. So, should I then print? Print currency list. Does that work? Nope. What if I void this one? No. I don't know what I'm doing. Or should print currency list be outside? Maybe that's the... What? That makes no sense. I... Return. Should I print here? No. What the fuck? Currency list. What am I doing wrong? Got the currency list here. X in currency list. If the value is less than 0, then we'll set it to 0. And then return the currency list. And then from here, you're supposed to call it. But you are not callable for some weird reason. Why is that? Why is this happening to me? I don't get it. Why? Player wallet. You should be calling that function, but you're not. Back to Stack Overflow. Oh, maybe I should be printing this. Let's try that. Print player wallet. Is that how this works? Nope. Okay, so there's clearly something wrong here. Can I not use... Can I not use a for loop to check the thingies inside a dictionary? Is that what's going on here? Because I cannot print the function. Dictionary object is not callable. I have to put that there. Is that? No. Unbound local error. Cannot access local variable x where it's not associated with a value. Huh. What if we do the... What if we do this thing? That's that. I don't think so. For x in currency list dot keys. Function is not iterable. Do I need the brackets? Okay, we're getting somewhere. We move past line 12. It's not supported between instances of dictionary values and integer. Or what if I do this? What if key will be equal to currency list dot keys, right? So then for here, key, for x in key, if key less than or equal to 0, then the key will be set to 0. Does that work? Fucking no. Okay, so that wasn't the problem. Can I make this an integer? Convertible to integer. Because we're getting the value anyway. So integer argument must be a string. But then what? Oh, whoops, wrong side. Like that? Is that any better? No. It is not better. Invalid literal for integer with base 10. What? How do I need to put x? Oh, oops, x in there. Dictionary value dot value takes no arguments, so that's also not it. What do I do? Okay, well, it's like this. Or do you have to be a string? No. What am I doing wrong here? If currency values back to Google then, I guess. Access items in the dictionary. Keys. What if I straight up do values here also? Would that work? No. Why doesn't it work? Clear that. Less than equals not supported between dictionary values and integer. Why? So that wasn't a problem. Currency list. Because I wanted to do this, right? If for whatever reason the amount of gold, so we have the key of gold and then the value of 0, which is an integer. If the value for any of the keys inside this dictionary is less than 0, I want it to reset to 0 over here. But now they are telling me that I cannot check with an integer, even though the value is an integer. Not supported between instances of dictionary values. What? I can use dot value. Or what if I do this instead? How about that? Oh, that works! Yes! Yes! Okay. That took me too fucking long, but it works! Yes! Okay, let's save that. And then over here, can we run it now? No. Expected at least one argument. To be for you, maybe it should be keys. Is that the correct way? Okay, we are almost there. Almost. Dictionary keys, gold, dictionary values. We are almost there. Almost. Wait, run it again. How do I get rid of this part? I'm so close. Dictionary keys, dictionary values. Shouldn't this just be So what am I doing wrong here? Currency.keys, it should be. Because if I use .get, I need to specify what exactly I'm getting. But I'm not trying to get a specific thing. Am I supposed to just do that? I don't think so. Yeah, that's not. I want to just change the name of this really quick. Oh, whoops. That's not what I wanted. I'll go back to current season. Let's see this. But right now it is what to do, what can I do. I'm not sure what I can do. Dictionary methods. Returns a copy of the dictionary. Maybe I should do dot items. Maybe. Let's try it. Items. We can remove this part. Save that. Oh, because I already have one running. Goal 0. Nope, that's not what I wanted. So this is still the closest that we have. Whoops. Your wallet. Eh? Is it because I was missing the bracket? Yes. Return currency. Wasn't there a way to remove specific parts of the string? I feel like there was. Also ads are running. Yeah, I should probably just kind of stretch for a bit, maybe. I know that I'm doing this very inefficiently, but I just need to figure out how this works. But in the meantime, let's hydrate ourselves, maybe get up for a stretch and all that good stuff. So That is good. Yeah, give me a second. I'm just gonna turn on my aircon. Wait. Okay. Alright. The ads are still running. I should add be right back thingy. I have that. BRB. There we go. Let's put that in the layer above my head. And yeah, let's do show and hide transitions. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Now that that's there, I'm sorry that I should have done this during the ad break itself, but I am gonna go ahead and use the toilet for a bit. So I will be right back. Okay, seek. We're back. Oop. Okay, let me see. For this one, right? Maybe I should do currency dot items. Okay, that doesn't seem right. Oops, currency list. That also doesn't seem to be working. So why can't I just straight up return items? Why does it come out like this? Strange. The items method returns a view object. Do I need to define that? So ABC equals to currency list dot items. Oh wait, was it because I didn't have the brackets? Dot items brackets. Yes, it was because I didn't have the brackets. But it prints out dictionary items. I don't want that. But if we do it like this, they have the curly brackets. I don't want that either. Python dictionaries. So if I don't want the curly brackets and stuff like that, I have to specify the keys, I think. Yeah, I do want the return outside of this. Maybe if I do that, no, that's wrong already. Currency list. Yeah, then it'll just return 0. Yeah. Then what if an F string? Currency list. Keys X. And then currency upwards. Currency list dot values. Oh, I forgot to encase you in. Oh, have that, and then also that. See values X. How is this? Nope. Okay, how about that? No! So if I do it as a F string, it will do that specifically. What if I just that? What is that? Nope, doesn't change anything. Items. Why must it print out like that? Why? Real dictionary key value. Why do I have to do human verification? Should I? Oh, I might need to use a for loop. For group in range. Let me see. This one currently does that. Hold on. In range. Wait. Wait, I need my brain to understand this. In range. And currency list. Oh, no, I think that needs to be on its own line. Will be equal to join dictionaries are ordered, so do they have indexes? Dictionary index. Dictionaries are order preserving. can create a list. Set as the key. We can call the key. Wait, I should be showing this. Hold up, where is... there you go. We need to read this together to understand together. Then we can call the keys back. There is no dedicated method to index into inserting the keys view to a list. Key and dictionary, return the key. I don't think there's an easy way to do this, I guess. Convert the keys to a list and then use index. List d.index. Yeah, I don't think there is an easy way for that, sadly. How do I want to do this then? Can I call for just the key? Do I call for just the key? No, then it will come out dictionary keys. Okay. If I just do dot values, it will come out dictionary values. Items will do the same thing. And yet, if I just currency list, there will be that. I feel my brain hurting. Why can I not figure this out? Dictionary. Surely somebody has Googled this before. Ways to create a dictionary of lists. There has to be a way. I don't believe there isn't a way. How do I get rid of the curly brackets and all that? There has to be a way. I don't believe there isn't. Okay. Let me... is it? Yes. Okay, so it does use a for loop. Let's try that. For key value. So start items. Maybe like this. And run that. Nice. Okay. So in that case, is it possible to No. Currencies. Okay, please tell me this works. Yes! 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 What does it say in... Oh, it also comes out here. Okay. In the terminal. I guess that's fine. Okay, so in that case, what happens if I have something like gold 0 and then I don't know, silver 10, something like that. Then this should print. Oh, okay, why is it not printing silver then? For key value in items, return key value. But right now I have two things. Is it because you need a comma also? No. You know what? Screw it. I'll figure that out another time. This works just fine, so I will not touch it yet. Yeah, that works just how I want it. Maybe I should have a gap in between both so that I guess maybe that looks a bit odd. Yeah, I'll keep it like that. That is fine. That is fine. Okay, we have spent 2 hours trying to get that. I am horribly inefficient when it comes to coding stuff, which is a nightmare, but you know, at least it is done now. Okay. What is the next thing that we want to do? Task. Length of task list is not 0. Here I'm going to try print task list. It is printing the gold part first. If I do that, and if not task values, oh whoops, I need the brackets. I forgot. I probably need the for loop for x in task list dot key. Does that work? No. Set object has no. Is it because I'm missing that? Yeah. Because you can put the thingies inside a dictionary but without a value. If I'm not remembering wrongly anyway, can be referred to by changeable, no duplicates. Dictionary key, no value. Dictionary key without that key without value. Using set default. So it should say none. Okay. So yeah, that means this shouldn't exist. This and this shouldn't exist. And if I run that, yeah, there's nothing written here. It's not even. If task list dot values equal none, should this be task list dot key? Hold on. Yeah, I think. Oh, hold on. This should be X, and then over here for X in class this. Was this the thing that I did? I think that's what I did. Let's kill that. Fuck. Maybe it's keys. And then let's try that again. Fuck. That's also not it. For X in currency list keys. If X equals none. Fuck. Does this not update? X does not support what? Update. So then what did I do? Oh, no update. It's just this. Okay. So if we kill that, why are you not printing? What am I doing wrong? Why can I not print task list? Do I need to do that? I can't run a second time, but it's fine. Nope, the bracket wasn't the issue. Why is it not printing? Why? I shouldn't need to define a whole function to print. The length of task list is not equal 0. Placeholder none. But then it prints out. Oh, because I have that, I think. Probably. But the print was outside of the whatever. Print that. No, run that. Okay, nothing happens. Wonderful. If I don't print, is it still correct? Very nice. But now this, it is not printing task list for some weird reason. For some weird reason. Placeholder none. What am I doing wrong? Do I have to F string? Is that what I have to do? No. So I don't understand. Is it expecting something first? Is it? No, the terminal just hangs. Okay, the terminal just hangs. Wonderful. I don't know what's happening. Placeholder. If I get rid of this line first. Oh, wait. You are supposed to be there. Why did I put it outside of the... That didn't change anything? Great. Great. What if I just removed you? What the fuck? Should print have been inside? No. Okay, at least it's not hanging now. But it's still not printing anything. Even though it should be. By all logical conclusion, it should be. If it's outside, then it just prints this empty bracket. Task list set default. That should put something inside here. If length of task list. Should I be using else if? Oh, whoops. Else if. Else if. Length of task list is equal to 0. Could that work? No. It's still not. What if we just put more than 0? No. If there are no tasks at all on task list, it should be setting something inside here with empty task and goal. But it's just not doing that for some reason. It's still returning an empty dictionary when it shouldn't be. I think I'm gonna try to figure this out before I call it a night. It shouldn't be this difficult. It really shouldn't. For X in should I be doing if instead of a while? If the length of the task list is I'll do not equal, and then else. Oh wait, that L should be outside. Right? At least I think it should. Yes! Why doesn't a while loop work? I'm not sure I understand why, but it's fine. If I change this to placeholder, none, then yes, okay, that works perfectly fine. Then we will also do for key value in task list dot items. Print, what was it again? This. Okay, and you should be good. Very good. And if I remove this, it should come out empty task and go. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Oh. And ads have just started, it seems. Okay then. Okie dokie. Yeah, I think we will just chill like this, and then yeah, I guess we can call it a night probably. Is there anything else I want to do for now? I mean, I guess the next thing would be to be able to create a task. Right? Yeah. Oh, what did I do? I did not mean to press that. For task list dot values in I think yeah. I think the next one would be this. I'll just do PW equal money dot player wallet. I'll just do that then. I think I will define at task. So for all of you, you go inside. I should be pausing the stream. I kind of forgot about that. Oh no, the ads are finished anyway, so that's fine. But yeah, I think the next thing to do will be this part, I think. I'm gonna want to define that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And define that. This should be edit, and then I guess I'll say remove. No, delete colors. Yeah, I'll stick with that. And I think that is enough brain bullying for tonight. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, I'm probably a bit too obsessive about wanting 5 spaces in between. But yeah, I think that is enough for tonight. I want to rest my brain now because I am a tired boy. But yeah, I hope that all of you have had a nice time over here. What do I want to say? Yeah, I mean, I guess I hope that all of you enjoyed watching me trying to figure out the simplest things for like the last 2.5 hours. And barely making any progress, but we are making progress. So yay! And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm thinking maybe the next stream we can do something music related, because you know I do want to make this channel a music thing, a music brand, which would be really nice, you know. So I'm thinking that we can do that the next stream, and hope you guys will enjoy that as well. But until then, I am gonna go ahead and chill for the rest of the night. So I hope that all of you have a great day, afternoon, or evening, wherever you guys are. Stay safe, stay comfy, and I will see you guys again very soon on Tuesday. Yeah, same time as we have been doing lately, 7 PM GMT plus 8 time zone. So yeah, I will see you guys again, and please rest well for the rest of your days. Good night.